Ke Sorkar Jilla menta ke Janmit ke lelum ye ke Jingyalang ye ke Noyalam jeng ki Trok Kamai ke Jilla harengkat ke Jingedon lang ki Kompeni Dobilat kumju ki Khubor district banyakren halor ki bapun ki mat bat ki jing bagi Trok Kamai ki kendo. Hakini ke Jingyalang ledon lang ru sembut Menteri Rangba bapet ye ke tanat kampok yeng ba Preston Tensong kumju sembut Menteri Rangba bapet ya ke transport uba senyob halang dhar nalor ki officer. Usembut Menteri Rangba bapet ye ketana transport ulai thu bah ke Jingyalang kila yo ru ban shimi kirai ki bana kaliang ki Trok Kamai ru kila menjurlang.
Today the meetings was held between the cement associations and all the three transport associations, and the meeting is it's a very good and nice meeting, and it's a very positive meeting, and some part we have decided today and some other part is we'll meet again sometime next week. In addition, we take number one is we have put the fare is before it was between 7 to 11 and today we decide only one fare, rupees 9 per kilometer. Okay. And all the transporters are happy with that. Everything is fine. So yes, there is some part is left because we demand 120 trucks per day quota for the local people. So that's little bit stocks. 80 is already done and 100 they are agree. So we are pushing another 20. So the cement associations request time for another 1 week and we will meet again after 1 week. Demand 120. As of now is 80 and we demand 120 and they propose 100. So again they request us 1 week's time from the cement association. So we will sit on the 21st again. We will discuss the matter finally. That is the government rate to be notified by us. We have decided.